Guys, welcome to our next video on job opportunities in computer science engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of jobs and which kind of companies with their salary offering and growth opportunities you can have after BE or BTech in computer science engineering. In India, around 1.5 million engineers pass out every year. From them, around 40% are computer science engineers. However, every graduate have one question in their mind. What is next best thing to do? If you are thinking about job and want to know about different opportunities you have, this video is for you. Normally, students choose two fields after computer science. One is software and another is hardware. Software jobs are divided into three categories in every industry: system architecture, software developer, and software tester. System architecture is high-profile jobs. They majorly works in algorithm development and system-level design. This requires high skills in mathematics and aptitude with understanding of programming languages. Software development is also little high-profile jobs. It basically focuses on development of codes for software and for platforms, and also requires high skills in programming language and little bit of aptitude knowledge. Software testing is low profile jobs. This mainly focuses on testing on developed codes and finding bugs in developed codes. Some jobs will also be in technical support for customers. This requires skill on understanding programming language. Apart from this, software jobs are divided into two basic industries: product-based industry and service-based industry. Product-based industry have their own software as products. Or some platforms for their internal use. They normally offer 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Some of the prime companies like Google, Adobe and Microsoft etc. offers package around 8 lakhs per annum. These companies have great working culture and have high market value too. But they require great skills in aptitude and very good understanding in programming language. And they have very competitive requirement for selection. Service-based industries. These industries develop their customer system, platforms or softwares. They work contact into tight timeline and they have very competitive environment and highly challenging jobs. They require high skills of programming and communication skills with aptitude knowledge. They offer initial package of 3 lakhs per annum, but after 2+ years of work experience, your growth is exponentially based on your performance. Hardware jobs are divided into 2 categories: hardware development and hardware maintenance. Hardware development is research for developing and better to pass away the equipments like RAM, processors and graphic cards, etc. This job profile requires better understanding of microprocessor and programming language with good aptitude skills. Some major companies are Intel, Dell, Nvidia, IBM and Cisco, etc. Hardware maintenance is low-profile jobs with testing and installing hardware and maintaining them. This can be small department in any company which looks after hardware and software installation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for getting update on these kind of videos.